Craving something irresistible and full of flavor? These cheesy steak bites are going to be the perfect bite-sized carnivore indulgence that you never knew you needed. But we're going to take care of that today. Let's get started. First, I've got a 1 pound sirloin steak here. We're going to start out by seasoning with salt and pepper. We're about to be cubing this. Now you could have seasoned this well in advance of the cubing. I'm using what's called Pepper Mafia from the Golden Steer Steakhouse in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've just been using that a lot lately. I really like that pepper. It can be a little pricey, but regular black pepper will work just as well, but this has great flavor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start cubing this up into just kind of little bite-sized pieces. Now that we have them cubed up, it's over to the cooktop. First step, I'm gonna melt a couple of tablespoons of butter into a big skillet under medium to high heat. That should be good enough for right now. Now to add the steak bites. We're going to be browning these for about the next 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer for 4 minutes. You're going to want to keep moving these a little bit because you do want them browned on all the different sides. Make sure you're turning them over. Now, since I only seasoned the top half of them while I was cubing them, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more salt and pepper to this cooking stick. Okay, at this point, I'm going to be removing the steak from the skillet. Now we have to make the cheesy sauce. Gonna start out by putting in beef broth, half a cup. And I'm gonna have the directions and the ingredients down below. Also half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Blend that together a little bit. Now if you're using like a stainless steel pan instead of a non-stick surface, this is the point you're going to want to start scraping some of that fond off the bottom because you want that to get into the mixture to add even more flavor. Now I'm also going to be adding a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. We're going to be kind of simmering this until this thickens up. Okay, at this point, I'm going to start putting the steak back in. Okay, I'm turning the heat off. These things are looking really terrific. I've kind of sampled one. It's looking and tasting really terrific. But we'll get over here and plate it. So I'll meet you over at the main counter. This is looking great. Now all that's left is to taste it. This is, let me show you how this is coming out. Check that out. Not too bad, huh? I'm going to take a little taste. I'll give Gunner a little taste because, of course, we can't leave Gunner out or I will hear about this. This is awesome. Now, if you have people in your family who are not carnivore, this would be easy to serve over a bed of rice or botan noodles. There's Gunner's piece. He's liking it, y'all. Now, you've got all this extra sauce in the pan. So if you want, it's got a lot of great flavor too. You can just pour a little bit more on top. And since we're carnivores, we don't have to put everything on a plate. A bowl is gonna work out just fine in this case. But this is gonna be great. So, what do you think? If you're enjoying the video, give me a like, maybe a subscription. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and please consider telling me what part of the world you are commenting from, because we have viewers all over the world, and I just kind of curious, would like to find out where everybody is. So with that said, hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch y'all next week. Bye-bye.